Hey there, future wealth builders, welcome back to Kingdom Cash. Before we dive in, if you're new here, you're about to discover why our community is growing faster than any other financial channel on YouTube. Today's video is going to blow your mind with some seriously unconventional passive income streams that almost nobody is talking about yet. These aren't your typical start a blog or create an online course suggestions. We're going deep into emerging markets and untapped opportunities that could potentially add thousands to your monthly income in 2025. Ready to discover income sources that 99% of people haven't even heard of? Let's get into it. AI-assisted decision-making consultancy. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how businesses make decisions, but many companies struggle to implement these tools effectively. By positioning yourself as an AI decision-making consultant, you can set up systems that continue to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. The process is straightforward. Develop expertise in specific AI decision-making tools, create implementation templates for different industries, and then charge a monthly subscription for ongoing optimization and support. The beauty is that once set up, these systems require only periodic updates and monitoring. Potential monthly profit: $3,000 to $10,000 depending on client size and complexity. Some consultants in this space are reporting annual revenues exceeding $120,000 with just 5 to 10 steady clients. The real advantage here is that you're not competing with the thousands of general AI consultants. Instead, you're focusing specifically on decision-making processes, which is a specialized niche with higher perceived value and less competition. Energy microgrid investment pools. With the world transitioning to sustainable energy, microgrids are becoming increasingly important. These localized energy systems can operate independently from the traditional grid, and often generate excess energy that can be sold back to utility companies. Here's how to profit. Form or join an investment pool that funds microgrid installations in high electricity cost regions. These installations generate consistent returns through energy sales and tax incentives, and the maintenance is handled by specialized companies. Potential monthly profit. For a $50,000 investment, expect returns of $500 to $1,500 monthly, representing a 12 to 36% annual ROI. As energy prices continue to rise, these returns could potentially increase. The best part about this passive income stream is that it's both financially rewarding and environmentally responsible. Plus, with government incentives for renewable energy expected to increase in 2025, the timing couldn't be better. Automated local experience curation. Tourism is evolving, with travelers increasingly seeking authentic local experiences rather than standard tourist attractions. This creates an opportunity for automated local experience curation services. The concept creates detailed digital guides for unique local experiences in popular tourist destinations. Partner with local businesses, set up automated booking systems, and earn commissions on every booking made through your platform. Once established, these partnerships continue to generate income with minimal additional effort. Potential monthly profit. Starting with 3 to 5 destinations can yield $2,000 to $7,000 monthly, scaling up significantly during peak tourist seasons. Successful curators report annual revenues of $50,000 to $100,000 per destination. What makes this particularly attractive is that, unlike traditional tourism services, this model focuses on curation rather than creation, making it much more scalable and passive. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Water rights leasing. In regions facing water scarcity, water rights are becoming increasingly valuable assets. By investing in water rights in strategic locations, you can lease these rights to agricultural businesses, municipalities, or industrial users. Potential monthly profit. While initial investment is high, $50,000 to $100,000, monthly returns can range from $1,000 to $5,000, representing a 12 to 60% annual ROI. As water scarcity issues intensify, these rights are projected to appreciate significantly in value. This opportunity remains largely untapped because many investors simply don't understand how water rights work. With some specialized knowledge, you can position yourself ahead of the curve in what experts are calling blue gold investments. Predictive analytics data licensing. Companies are increasingly relying on data to make strategic decisions. If you have expertise in collecting and analyzing specific types of data, you can create predictive models and license access to these insights. The key is to focus on niche industries or specific metrics that businesses struggle to track independently. Once your collection methods and algorithms are established, the process can be largely automated. Potential monthly profit. Depending on the value and specificity of your data, licenses can generate $2,000 to $15,000 monthly from multiple clients. Experts in this field report six-figure annual incomes with relatively low ongoing time investments. The competitive advantage here is specialization. Rather than competing with major data providers, focus on highly specific metrics or industries that larger companies overlook. Virtual real estate development and leasing. As metaverse platforms continue to gain traction, virtual real estate is becoming a legitimate asset class. Forward-thinking investors are purchasing digital land, developing it with functional spaces, and then leasing these spaces to businesses for virtual offices, showrooms, or entertainment venues. Potential monthly profit. A well-placed virtual property can generate $500 to $3,000 monthly in lease payments with minimal ongoing management. Early adopters in this space have seen property values appreciate by 300 to 500% in certain metaverse platforms. While this might sound speculative, major brands are already investing millions in virtual presence. By getting in relatively early, you position yourself to benefit from what could be the next major real estate boom. Personalized medicine royalty investing. The personalized medicine field is growing exponentially, with researchers developing treatments tailored to individuals' genetic profiles. Many of these researchers need funding, but don't have access to traditional capital markets. Through specialized investment platforms, you can provide funding to promising research in exchange for royalty rights on successful treatments. While higher risk than some other options, the passive returns can be substantial. Potential monthly profit investments starting at $10,000 can generate $300 to $2,000 monthly once treatments reach market, representing potential returns of 36 to 240% annually for successful projects. What makes this particularly interesting is the dual benefit, potentially exceptional financial returns, while supporting medical advances that could save lives. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Automated content localization services. Global businesses need their content translated and culturally adapted for different markets, but traditional translation services are often expensive and time-consuming. By creating an automated content localization service that combines AI translation with human expert oversight, you can tap into this growing market. The system works by using advanced AI to handle the bulk of translation work, with specialized human experts providing quality control and cultural nuance adjustments. Once established, the process requires minimal day-to-day involvement. Potential monthly profit. A well-optimized localization service can generate $5,000 to $20,000 monthly, with profit margins of 60 to 70% after paying for AI services and human experts. This opportunity is particularly promising because most existing services are either fully automated, lacking quality, or fully human, expensive, and slow. A hybrid model offers a competitive advantage in an increasingly global business environment. Carbon credit generation projects. With more companies committing to carbon neutrality, the demand for carbon credits continues to rise. By investing in projects that generate carbon credits, such as reforestation, methane capture, or renewable energy in developing countries, you can earn passive income from selling these credits on carbon markets. Potential monthly profit. A $25,000 to $50,000 investment in the right project can generate $600 to $2,500 monthly in carbon credit sales, representing a 14 to 60% annual ROI. As carbon pricing increases with stricter environmental regulations, returns could potentially grow. The beauty of carbon credit investments is that they often involve one-time or limited-period investments that continue generating returns for years or even decades as trees grow or clean energy infrastructure operates. Privacy as a service subscription platforms. With growing concerns about digital privacy, consumers and businesses are increasingly willing to pay for services that protect their personal and corporate data. Creating a privacy-as-a-service platform that bundles various privacy tools and services can tap into this demand. The model involves curating and integrating existing privacy tools like VPNs, secure email, and privacy-focused browsers into a unified subscription service with additional proprietary features. Once established, the technical infrastructure requires only periodic updates and customer service. Potential monthly profit. With 1,000 subscribers paying $15 to $50 monthly, revenue potential ranges from $15,000 to $50,000 monthly, with profit margins of 40 to 60% after service costs. This opportunity is particularly promising because while individual privacy tools are abundant, few services offer comprehensive, user-friendly privacy solutions, creating a gap in the market that entrepreneurs can fill. Maximizing your success with these opportunities. Now that I've shared these unique passive income streams, let me offer some strategies to maximize your chances of success. Start with one opportunity that aligns with your existing knowledge or interests. Trying to pursue multiple streams simultaneously often leads to mediocre results across the board. Allocate appropriate startup capital. Many of these opportunities require initial investment, but remember that underfunding is a common reason for failure. Build systems for true passivity. The goal isn't just income, but passive income. Invest time upfront in creating automated systems, clear processes, and outsourcing guidelines. Leverage partnerships strategically. For many of these opportunities, the right partner can provide complementary skills and resources, dramatically increasing your chances of success. Maintain realistic expectations about timelines. Most passive income streams take 6 to 12 months to start generating meaningful returns. Patience and persistence are essential. The financial landscape is continually evolving, and those who position themselves ahead of emerging trends stand to benefit enormously. The opportunities I've shared today represent just a small selection of the innovative income streams becoming accessible in 2025. Remember, building multiple streams of passive income isn't just about increasing your earnings, it's about creating freedom and resilience in an uncertain world. Each dollar of passive income takes you one step closer to true financial independence. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.